Hi guys! I'm so excited for today's video dahil today is mag-unbox tayo ng maraming product from Timo! So before tayo mag-start sa ating unboxing, if you haven't heard yet about sa Timo is it's an online platform na lahat ng gusto ninyong i-shopping is makikita niyo po sa Timo and it's very cheap, very nice ang quality ng product nila. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-download, i-download nyo na ang Timo app na nasa description box naka-link below, okay? Pag naka-download na kayo, ang Timo is once you ordered, they offer a free standard shipping. Hindi na kayo oh no, I don't have payment for the shipping because Timo offered that standard free shipping worldwide. Okay? Meron din silang price protection. So, ganyan kaganda yung Timo app online shopping. So, what are you waiting for? You download the app below at mag-shopping all over the world. Kung new kayo sa Timo app, you can get off coupon. Paano nyo i-claim yung coupon? Just simply download the app, tapos i-search nyo sa taas, dyan sa taas, KKG8743. And let's see kung mag-work yung coupon sa inyo at meron kayong discount or mga offers because they offer lots of mga discount codes, mga offer, mga giveaways for everybody to enjoy the Timo products. So before ko makalimutan, all the products or items that I've purchased from Timo will be linked down below. What are you waiting for? Let's shop on Timo! Meron na tayo dito Timo. So we'll unbox this one. We will look at all those items and products na is it worth it? Kasi for me, I've been shopping this one because as you know, I'm a mother of 3 and I just wanted, sometimes I'm so tired to do the everything. I just want some items that can help me to hassle-free. We have here, because my kids, colorings, drawings, and they use pencil a lot, colored pencil a lot. Sometimes as a mother, I'll be like, oh my gosh, is this, those sharpener that you can't do it manual sharpener. So what I was thinking is to buy this. This is automatic sharpener, which means automatic siya. We need to buy back natin to. So, hindi muna natin to matesting. But this is automatic. We need to buy battery muna pala para magamit natin to. So, hindi muna natin to matesting. But this is automatic. This one is so cute. If you know, for today's trend is 6'7", 6'7". You know the 6'7", 6'7". Ito yung gusto na mga bata this time. Kasi yung mga 6'7", I know my kids will love this so much. Diba? Sobrang cute. 6'7", 6'7". So, ito is for Jessica. It's for my kids. This one is white. This one's white. This is pink. So, which one you prefer? The kids will be happy today. Oh, well, let's buy this gift. Or do you will buy this one? It's so nice. What you think? Just comment down below what you think. If my kids have, I have as well. Because this is so useful, okay? I will use this one when I'm walking, everywhere walking. If I'm exercising, just slow walk, this will be very useful. And it's so comfortable as well. Let's try it. Tada! It's so comfortable. Ang products sa Timo is very good products. I've been ordering sa kanila long time ago na. Another one is ang cute ng 6'7" water bottle. Magiging happy yung aking mga bata nito. Jessica and Jenny will love this one because it's the trend today. If you know 6'7", 6'7". So ito yung binili ko kasi alam ko na magugustuhan nila ito. Automatic dispenser. Yung maghugas ka ng kamay. This one is automatic kasi sometimes my kids complain, Mommy, the soap for my hands don't come out, blah blah blah. So ito is automatic. Look at that. It's so nice. Ayan, ang ganda. It's so nice and pretty and it's aesthetical. You'll just press it here and it will be automatic na siya na pag if you put your hands under the bottom, it will automatically the soap. So, it's easy for my kids to use. Charger. So, if malubat, hindi na kayo mag-worry if this will be kanang malubat bitaw siya. Kaya pwede nyo man siyang charge. And this is all the products from Timo, very affordable. Always kang, wow, this is amazing. This is just worth, sobrang mura lang nito. Tapos, hassle-free ka na. As a mother, hassle-free. Oh, your kids will be happy to wash their hands every day. Wow! It's so nice. So, this one is the vegetable chopper. Binili ko to siya dahil, as you know, busy as a mommy. So, you need this product. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. Have this. Have that. See? You have a lot of kinds of chopper so that you can chop all kinds of vegetable. Tapos, this one is the guide. See? You can chop the onion, carrot, to everything. You can chop here easy. Iganyan mo lang siya, oh. Ganyan. You do this. Diba, mayroong lid. Tapos, ipataas mo. Pagpataas ng lid, iganon mo lang siya. And, there you go. Easy vegetable chopper in 1 second. Na-chop na yung vegetables mo. 1 second pa lang. So, saan ka na? Dito ka na. Bili ka na sa Timo products. Na mumura lang pero budget-friendly at magiging happy ka pa. O, diba? Ang ganda niya. Promise. It's very nice. Very good quality. And you get a lot from that item. And you won't even spend a lot of money. And sometimes, you can get discount codes as well. If you order a lot, you can get a lot of discount codes. Ta-da! Organizer. In our bathroom, our toothbrush, they're flying everywhere. They have wings. So, what I was thinking, oh my gosh, I need some toothbrush organizer for the kids. Diba? Para ang kids, the kids will, I will put my toothbrush here. They will have that instinct na, dito ko ilagay yung toothbrush, toothbrush organizer. So, it comes with this, and it's very clean, very tidy, very aesthetic. And you can twist. Ala! You can twist it! Diba? If you're looking for your early in the morning, you're rushing, I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my teeth. And you'll be like, where's my toothbrush? Twist it. My toothbrush there. And the kids will have the instinct as well. They will have the initiative. My toothbrush is in the other side, and they'll just, I know my kids will love this, and they will take good care na sa ilang toothbrush na. Hindi nila kung saan-saan lang ilagay. So, ayan yung ating product. Mayroon siyang ganito. I think it's for toothpick man siguro ito siya. Mura lang din ito, guys. Very affordable. Bili na kayo. You need to buy this one. See? You will love this product so much. Very best and affordable product na galing sa Timo. So, what are you waiting for? Buy now. Our next product is Magic Basket. See, you can tidy it. Pag gusto mo siyang gamitin, pwede mo lang siyang i-press ng ganun. Yun, see. Magic. After ka magsampay, diba, magic siya. Ganito. If you have small space sa inyong house, ito yung gamitin nyo. Maganda talaga siya. Maganda. Kaya after nyo magkuha sa inyong mga labahin. Kuha kayo ng labahin. I need to get my laundry. It's raining and you have to rush. So this one is very easy. You just grab this, and then after you put all your laundry, and you tied it already, because mo naman, tiniklop mo na yung mga laundry mo, you can tidy it as well, so that it won't be everywhere in your house. Ganun kaganda yung product nila sa Timo. After mo magsampay, it's tidy, and you can put it in the side. That's how good Timo is, the product. Ganyan sila kaganda yung mga product nila. So, our next one, because I have a lot of blackheads. Ito yung binili ko. Blackhead remover. So, ayan siya. I-charge mo pa to. Tapos, meron siyang iba't ibang mga ganito. Ayan, iba't iba siya. At i-connect. Pag on mo nito, ayan na nga. On mo pala. Aray. Natatanggal yun talaga. Oh my gosh, my blackheads. My blackheads and whiteheads. It's so useful. Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. All my blackheads and whiteheads are coming out. This is so nice. Oh. Normal and strong. Tatlo yung ano niya. Meron siyang soft, normal, and strong. So, if you have a lot of blackheads, whiteheads sa iyong mukha, sa iyong ilong, or anywhere, this is so useful for you. And you can, you can change the connection para maliit lang yung, ayan. See? If you wanna target your blackhead. Wow, this is amazing. All my blackheads will be gone. Oh my gosh. Marami ba kayong blackheads? Kasi ako marami akong blackheads. Uy. Wow. Ay, it's really good. I'm so happy with this product. My blackheads will be coming out and all the dirt from my face. Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying and it's so nice. Nawala gyud talaga ang mga blackheads ko. Oh. My blackheads vanish. Meron pa tayo. 1. We have 2 left. No, 3. This one is another water bottle. 6, 7. It's the same with the other one. 6, 7. Ayan. Dalawa yan for Jessica and Jenny. Oh, cause nag-school naman sila, no? Once the kids go to school, they need water bottle. And the next one is this very nice top for my husband. Ayan, pang ano to siya, summer. So, good quality, very thick, and very comfortable. The next one is, we have here, kapag pagod ka nang magkuskus sa iyong mga langgana at balde, pangkuskus. Because I do a lot of cooking and I'm so lazy to wash all those things. Lalo na pag greasy, yung greasy, oily, and stubborn, anong tawag niyan? Stubborn na mga dumi sa yung kalaha. Ito yung ginagamit ng iba to make your life magic. Make your life easy. You don't have to... No, this one is so... Okay, we have here. Diyan mo i-charge. Dito ang on. Tapos, they have 3 connections. Ito siya. Ayan, for mga kalaha. I think, see? Ooh, sa mga kalaha mo, it will help you. Tapos, this one, parang Scotch Brite man to, pang plato, pang Scotch Brite, ito. Diba? Ang galing! Ang ganda naman ito, oy. Oh, I will love washing my pants every day because of this. It's making my hard life easy. Tapos, they have this brush as well. Lupad na. Mayroon din silang brush. Ito yung kanilang brush. Dito is, i-connect mo lang siya. 3 connection din siya. Mura lang to siya, guys. It's so affordable. So, if you want, you don't need Hoy! Maghugas ng plato. Oh, ito na. Diretso-diretso na siya. Ang bilis niyang gamitin. So, if you want to buy this, this is Magic Brush. It will magic all your mga hugasin sa bahay. So, that's Magic Brush. Don't forget, magic all your dishes. Just buy Magic Brush from Tmall. Of course, they will help you make your life easy. So, saan ka na? Sa Tmall ka na. Saan ka na pipili? This one is another product from Tmall as well. Ay, limutan ko ano ito eh. Mag-mix English. Ay! Oh, it's very cute. Because my kids love fried egg. This one is formed already ba? Circle na siya. Tapos you just put a little bit of oil and you fry your egg and that will be the outcome. Ito yung kanyang handle. Oh. You have to connect this handle. Oh, I need to unscrew this one and put the handle dyan to fry some eggs. So, if you want this one, you want fried, fried egg, easy, quick, and hassle-free, put oil, this one, and order this one. This is one. It's in the description box. This one is linked in the description box. It's very easy to use and you'll be amazed. You'll be amazed sa product na ito. Ay, I want to fry egg today. Okay, I will fry egg and circle na yung formation niya. You don't have to, hindi ka na mag-effort na i-circle pa ka ito. Mag-shape na to siya. So, if gamitin ko to siya, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, next one is that set of clothes for Jessica and Jenny. Oh my gosh, ang ganda naman ng quality. The quality is so nice. Ayan, oh. 3 na yan siya, and it's very affordable lang yun kaayo. Ayan. Uy, kaysa mag-ukay-ukay ka bitaw, mas mabuti sa timo na lang. Ayan, oh. Affordable. 3 set na to siya. White, black, and gray. Ayan, oh. Kasi pa summer, ang kids, they will love to wear summer dresses, and this is so nice. Don't forget to download the Timo app at i-check nyo yung mga offers nila kasi madami silang mga product na mayroon silang mga offers, mayroong mga discount, mayroong mga coupon codes, and everything. It's a hassle-free online shopping that you won't regret kasi maganda yung items nila, maganda yung quality nila. All the products are so good, all the products are so satisfying to have in your house, to have a hassle-free if you're busy, your life will be easy. Oh, dahil sa Timo yan, dahil sa kanilang mga product, na madami silang mga product na easy lang siya gamitin. So, thank you so much and I hope you don't forget to download Timo and buy those product, and please don't forget to use the code below na ililink ko dito sa screen. Ililink ko down below at dito din ilalagay ko sa screen, and hopefully the code will work for you. Thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoy my video for today. Don't forget to like and don't forget to leave your comments down below. Thank you!